check this out. Set to be an incredible seller for 2022, I am beyond excited to show you our newest homeware range, Fleur. This stunning take on the ever-popular Australian theme features incredible native Australian and New Zealand floral illustrations inspired by popular demand. Featuring splashes of navy against contrasting backdrops of peachy, apricot and earthy tones. These hues are perfect for the home and double as an amazing gift idea for every type of customer. With many products that are expected to be strong sellers for Mother's Day, including coasters, wall art, grazing boards, and our very exciting new hanging verse range. This range is timed perfectly for you to capitalise on the popular approaching sales period. Splosh are known for our amazing homewares at affordable prices, and we have kept this range simple, focusing on quality, impeccable detail, and great price points with our blend of tried and tested coasters, magnets, frames, and spectacular abstract wall art, which will create a statement for both retailers and their customers. Now, verses have always been one of our top sellers, and after feedback asking for another hanging verse range, we cannot wait for you to see what we've come up with. Featuring 12 options that perfectly capture a gift idea for any customer, for any occasion. These hanging verses are made from quality ceramic with a jute rope for hanging and come with a coloured gift box. They also come with an eye-catching spinner display with hooks, encouraging customers to really explore the range. A top recommended range for Mother's Day, we've included extra female-focused designs, including soul sisters, mother, mum, and grandma, which are sure to drive sales in one of your busiest sales periods. With Fleur, we have improved the price point for our cushions and created a variety of innovative options for our starter packs to ensure we have something for you all and every retailer is covered. And the best bit, there is 10% off our entire Fleur Master Starter Pack on all introductory offers and 5% off the Fleur Starter Pack, which just includes our beautiful homewares. That's really fantastic if you just want some smaller homewares offering without the hanging verses. We recommend merchandising the range together so that customers get the full impact of the beautiful Fleur story. And you can also increase your chance of add-ons this way as well. Did you also know that our area sales managers are on hand to help you set up your displays in store? Reach out and we are only too happy to help you anytime. We also have plenty of online resources available, including product images and amazing photos for your social media. Just jump on our Stockist marketing portal to access them or ask your ASM to assist you. Happy selling!